You can change your life by learning speak English. In our country, there are so many examples surrounded us. They have learned and they have earned so many money, and each and every month they are earning lots of money. After learning speak English, they are earning money. So I think that if you are crazy for improving your speaking English, you are the right way. And Alhamdulillah, nowadays I'm earning uh, a little amount money, but I'm earning by learning speak English, by teaching English. So that's the thing. And if you can change your life by teaching speak English, it will be very very essential in your future. And in future, you will earn more money. I believe that. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. I sit down here. I am sitting here, and that time I thought I should make a video about earning something. That's why I'm making video. Okay, so all the best. Bye bye.